King Charles makes his first appearance at a movie premiere. In an unexpected yet royal twist, King Charles III made his cinematic debut as a guest at the premiere of Gladiator 2, marking a significant moment for both the British monarchy and the film industry. The event, which took place in London, saw the king attending the red carpet alongside some of Hollywood's most prominent stars, including Pedro Pascal, Paul Mescal, and Denzel Washington, among others. This marked a departure from Charles' usual public engagements. At the premiere, King Charles was seen greeting both actors and filmmakers, exchanging pleasantries with Ridley Scott and shaking hands with the cast. His interactions were warm and enthusiastic, with the monarch taking a moment to express his admiration for the craftsmanship behind the film. Pedro Pascal, who has become a global sensation thanks to his roles in The Mandalorian and The Last of Us, was among the most anticipated stars at the event. The Gladiator 2 premiere was not only an important moment for the film industry but also a milestone for the monarchy. King Charles' involvement in the event was symbolic of his continued efforts to modernize the royal family's image and make it more relatable to younger generations.